Okay, test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Do you hear my voice?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, can.
Okay, Aiman, you may start your presentation now.
Good. Hello. Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Asiman. Today I will present case study 10, Google Drive. Google the Drive to balance privacy and with profit. Okay, first question. Has Google implemented a strategy that serves all stakeholders? Okay, my answer. There are several things that Google has implemented as part of the strategy to serve all stakeholders. First, the company has implemented focusing leadership on innovation and technology. Second, the company is globally diversified and with specialization which increase value chain activity. The diversity includes variation of company product and ownership of different business among stakeholders. The interest of the stakeholder is maintained with focus on social responsibility international. Google can enhance benefit stakeholder even more by exploring ways to ensure privacy. Second question, how can Google respect privacy and still maintain its profitability? My answer, privacy is Google ethical issue which has recently overcome to expand the market. In the year 2012, they have completely received the privacy policy and issue an official statement which has answering all government questions. Google stated that all the users have the option to turn off the certain features which collect their personal information. This new policy also states that it will never affect the amount of information it collects or delete and they remain highly committed to user privacy. If the firm continues to follow this new policy, it will respect the user privacy and also maintain its profitability. Majority of the Google user want to make sure that their private information are not hacked by the hacker when they are using the Google search engine. And the last question, how will increasing global regulation of privacy affect Google operation? My answer, increasing global regulation on privacy would have a large impact on Google, especially because it varies from country to country. The increase in consumer concern and awareness about privacy security has promoted the government to regulate new regulation on Google search engine. Government around the world would be required to regulate suspicious or unlawful internet content. Open or no government regulation would allow complete freedom of the customer to choose their provide and access anything they wish to on the internet. Just that for me. Okay.
Okay, before we start our discussion, anyone any questions for him?
I have a question regarding to the study case. My question is, do you have any example for the ways to ensure the privacy?
Yes. Okay. The example is turn off web history. You may have turned on the web story option, also called personalized search, when you first create your Google account. If so, Google maybe maintain a personal search story for you use. Okay,
Yeah,
Thank
anyone?
you. Good answer.
next question.
Anyone?
Hello.
Ah,
I have a question regarding your answer at question 2.
ah,
Could you tell us how secure is Google in terms of securities?
okay. Google Drive is security and safe. If you use Google Drive for work or school, Google will automatically evaluate any file that share with you from outside of your organization for phishing or malware. If detected, Google will block your access to the file in order to protect you. You, administrator, might also turn on the same protection for file share with your organization. Okay,
Anyone?
Rahmat.
Is there any question?
Hello, here I also got a question. It's about question 3. Will the government's regulation of the internet content cause a decrease in the Google's searchable content?
Okay, my answer, since there are regulation, it will definitely be reduced and restricted to the extent defined by the country. But there will be no impact on area where there is no regulation.
So, does anyone want to add anything?
There is no more for me.
Thank you.
Oh,
Yeah, I think it looks like that all the questions that we have for today. So I would like to thank to Aiman for your wonderful presentation and insightful discussion. And I guess that's all for today's discussion meeting. Stay safe and have a great day, everyone. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you.